Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay. Today I'll review new project. The name is Luna Land project. All the thing of Luna Land project is good. Today I'll discuss about Luna Land, their website, and for my opinion. Hope able to understand all the thing about this project. Okay, don't skip the video. Stay full video. So let's discuss the main topics of this project. I hope this project has a bright future, one of the best project at this moment time. I hope this project give us a very good profit. So everything is all of this project. I see more person joining every day of this project. There is many details here. So their social media link: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, Reddit. Please visit this site. You can see their social media link and visit this site. You can understand about this project, mission control, white paper, story design, all it. So there is many details here. Fly me to the moon. Vision of this project: a digital currency at the dawn of a new era. Luna Land LLN is a digital currency and story of value the wafer protector from real world inflation as the what gas and money printing is pretty we encouraging liquid with on tax trading be by Riot early adopted and putting 100% back into liquidity pool. Mission of this project: rate our community as we grow with our unique contact future hyper deflection. Luna Land will be brand coin supply until we reach 1 lunar distance in coin. 400 million coin, a brand rate of 19.97 from the initial pool of 1 trillion coin. Readers coin supply result in the upward price moment to read more. Brand and Iran. So Luna Land is accessible to with excellent return potential. Numbers machines will reward early adopter and holder. Weekly ban cycle will brand 90% of token and distribution 10% of brand on holder. So weekly run cycles. So Luna Land will have weekly increasing brand cycle will be randomized and announcement 3 hours before brand. So we launch with where land Luna Land. It is the currency harnessing the power of the blockchain. So by now, by Lilian, please click this right button. You want to buy their coin. Please just click this right button. You can see their token mix. And so Luna Land white paper of this project. White paper. Please choose how to view the white paper. Browsing English PDF, margin Germany. So Luna Land. So email okay. Now English PDF. Learn affiliate to the more introduction of this project. Present situation. Manual burn brand state and condition, burn cycle, random burn amount, burn range, communication, burn and yarn. So this is the communicated rate, this is the value. Roadmap of this project. Our vision is creating new digital currency that become a top 10 cryptocurrency currency and just underpinned by real world use and not just a story of the value of the medium of exchange. There are several technical milestones will need to achieve to provide clear goals that inform the number X. So tokenomics, let's contact name Lunaland Chambal Alien Dismal 18. Contact address, please careful their address. Intel supply on trillion. Target land supply 400 million. Brand function is maintains no network battery managed by 2 liquid full 50% of amount rise to the minimum likely to be to 10% allowing for education marketplace and operation expense tokenomics of this project BIP20 token. So okay, meet the all members honestly of this project. So everything is all of this project. I hope this project has a bright future, one of the best project at this moment time. I hope this project give us a very good profit. Okay guys, no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.